Welcome back. Setting up the next generation of attorneys here in Florida for success. This morning on CBS 12 News, we are joined by Gary Lesser, the 74th president of the Florida Bar and managing partner of Lesser, Landy Smith. Gary, thank you so much for joining us this morning. So let's start with this program is so unique. Tell us more about it.
So it's called Counsel to Counsel. It's actually the first technology-based mentoring program from any state bar in the country. And we think it's really going to be a difference maker for newer lawyers.
Why was it so important for you to create a program like this here in Florida?
Well, the challenge is there are a lot of people who graduate law school and they don't know anything about being a lawyer. You graduate law school, you learn substantive law, property law, contract law. Some law schools have clinics, but for the most part, you graduate law school and you don't know how to be a lawyer. And a good percentage of people graduate law school without a job. They go on their own, which is fine, but now they're more alone than ever. In the age of post-COVID, a lot of the law practice is virtual. Hearings, depositions, mediations, they're by Zoom. So the old days where you could go meet a more experienced lawyer and establish a mentor relationship, those opportunities are very limited now.
So you obviously saw a need here. What does this do for both the upcoming attorneys and also the people that are already in the field?
Yeah, so this is like a win-win-win. The winners will be the mentors, the more experienced lawyers, 5 years or more, who get to work with and learn more from what the newer lawyers know, technology and all that. And the newer lawyers are going to get a very big win because they're going to get the benefit of the wisdom and experience of lawyers who've been around longer. Who tells a newer lawyer how to deal with a difficult client, how to deal with a difficult lawyer? Get involved in your church or synagogue. Get involved with legal aid and do a pro bono case. That's the type of advice that newer lawyers get from mentors, and that's what this program will provide. The biggest winners will be the people who live in Florida, who are represented by these newer lawyers who are going to be more professional and have a higher level of skill because of this mentorship program, Counsel to Counsel.
Yeah, you know, you definitely learn a lot of things in school, but some things are just learned in the field, and it would be so helpful to have someone who's already doing it kind of guide you through this path. And you were telling me in the commercial break, someone really important here in Florida saw this and was like, I want to get involved.
Yeah, so the Supreme Court of Florida has been highly supportive, and we're very grateful to Chief Justice Muniz, who actually recorded a video that we've sent to all the lawyers of Florida saying how important it is. I mean, mentorship is important in any field, right?
Right.
But in the law, to be able to be paired off with a more experienced lawyer, that's a boost to your learning curve and will make you a better lawyer. We're grateful for the court support and from the support of the Chief Justice because it's going to really help these newer lawyers, and it's going to help the overall legal profession in Florida.
So my next question is, anyone who is watching right now, you know, whether they're a new attorney or a current attorney, how can they get involved? Can they register now? Is it still open?
Yeah, so you can go to floridabar.org/mentoring, and you can sign up as a newer lawyer, 3 years or less in a firm of 3 or fewer lawyers, or a more experienced lawyer. And if you're not a lawyer and you're watching today, let your lawyer friends know. The whole sign-up process takes about 3.5 minutes.
Okay.
You put in all your information, your preferences as to area of the law, and do you want someone local, and you get matched actually with people who might be a better match for you. That's the best part of this technology aspect of the program. A better match means a better mentorship relationship, and that's going to be very helpful.
Absolutely. So for anyone watching, I'm also going to be sharing all of this on my social media pages in case you didn't get all that information. And while we have you here, happy Father's Day. I was asking you, you have some big plans for today?
Well, as a father of 3 daughters, Father's Day is a great day. So of course we're going to go eat and spend some quality time together, and I'm really looking forward to that. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Gary. And we're going to send it over to Jennifer for now. Jen?
Thanks, Stephanie. And for those Father's Day plans, we will see a break in the rain and storm activity.